Hi everyone, welcome back. This week we are doing Valentine's Day themed kid lunches for my children. Today I've made some baked French toast with vanilla and cinnamon. It smells really good. I had some marshmallows in my cabinet that I bought around Christmas time. I ended up not using them, so I decided to pick out a few pink and purple and toss those on my daughter's French toast, and a few pink and blue for my sons. I have some really small cookie cutters, and so I decided to take those and use them on some slices of banana. Now I've done this years ago with just a butter knife, and you know, it's quite easy to cut out X's and O's. But the little cookie cutters made that a little bit faster. I've had these cookie cutters for about 3 years now, so I'm not sure if they are on Amazon or not, but if they are, I'll leave the link down below in case you're interested. I also have these organic fruit ones that I found at Target a few weeks ago. They were just $1.98 on clearance, so half off. They are strawberry and chocolate. So once they're finished with their French toast, I'm going to offer these to them. That is what they're having today, so let's see if they enjoy it. They're finished with their French toast. They ended up adding their bananas right on top of their French toast with their marshmallows. What was your favorite thing?
My favorite was the bit XOXO bananas.
I forgot to mention their plates are from Target. I bought them last year, I believe, and there was a cute little message underneath for them to find underneath their food. So with the cat, it reads, "Your love is perfect." And then my son's robot reads, "My heart beeps for you." So I thought that was pretty cute. I've given them each some of their chicken salad. I have some crackers that I've had in the pantry for a little while now. They're vegetable crackers. So I'm going to give them each 4 of those. They can make little sandwiches or break them up and use them to dip. I'm going to put the little apples right on top of their chicken salad. The little heart shapes. And then I bought some of these little smoothies from Aldi's. They're Danables, and they are colored with vegetable juice. There's some live cultures in here, so a little treat for them. I have some of these strawberry fruit snacks from Target. So I'm going to give them each a few of those on the side. I took a bite of this chicken salad, and it is just so good. It's sweet, savory, delicious. So I hope the kids like it as well. They're finished. My daughter has just about 1 bite left. She drank all of her smoothie. My son drank all of his. He left a wee little bit of the chicken salad with about 1 whole cracker, but he is full, so that is all right. What was your favorite part, my love?
I like
the smoothie
and this.
and the chicken salad.
Yeah.
Very
and the gummy
good.
bears were right there.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those little fruit snacks. They were good too. Cool. This is something that I hardly ever make. And it was so easy and it was so good, so they really enjoyed it.
And hi, this is Kitana. Hi.
Hi! So I'll have to make it again for them in a few weeks or so. Very good. Alright friends, we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Hi everyone, today is Wednesday. I've made the children some very easy ham roll-ups. I used some sliced honey ham, a sort of homemade ranch sauce, and I spread that on a tomato wrap. I rolled it up and sliced it into a few little pinwheels. I've also given them some tomato and avocado with a little bit of salt and pepper sprinkled on top of that. I used the little heart cookie cutter. I also used the cookie cutter on their strawberries and cantaloupe, and the fruit is being held together with skewers. And then above the fruit you see the pink and blue It's basically a silicone, like a yogurt tubing. And last night I blended together strawberries, a little bit of vanilla, and almond milk, and then I poured that into the tubes and I popped it in the freezer. So extremely easy lunch, and I'm pretty sure they're going to love it. Hi everyone, today is Thursday. I've made the kids some tuna pasta. I used tuna, these sweet heart-shaped pasta noodles from Aldi's. They are colored with beetroot and tomato. I used red onion, 3 garlic cloves, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and it smells and tastes really good. I already snuck a bite. I cooked some broccoli on the stovetop. I just simmered it in some water for a few minutes so it's soft, but it has a little crunch to it. And then I added some spices. I used my heart cookie cutter for the red bell pepper, so they have some little pepper hearts. And then I gave them some ranch to dip those into. I gave them each a Peeps marshmallow heart. And then I had a Lara bar in my cabinet. Lara bar? I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced. But I bought a box of those from Target a little while back, and I still had one left over. It's the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor. And so I used the cookie cutter for that as well. And then I put a little pick through that just for fun. So that is what they're having today. I guess my daughter was hungrier than I thought, or she just really loved the pasta. She asked for a second serving, and she also ate everything else, her vegetables and her treats. And my son ate everything too. He only had 1 serving though of his pasta. They were excited to have their heart plates again. I keep forgetting to show, but I also have been using these napkins this week to make things a little extra fun.
And my favorite part was the peep in this.
Your favorite part was the peep and the pasta?
Yeah, I didn't really like the chocolate. It was a little bit too chocolatey.
You didn't like the Lara bar?
Yeah, it was kind of a little bit too chocolatey.
Yeah, and the pasta was really good. Mama has some too. I put buffalo sauce on mine. Here we are at the end of the week. Today I've made the kids some pizza. Really easy. And then I used some pepper for the smile and the eyes. Also a little bit of olive slices. I've made the kids little berry buddies. Berry monster. Sort of looks like a reindeer. And then I used the heart cookie cutter to make a little imprint on the cutie orange. And then the random addition for today's lunch would be these bean lentil snaps. They are tomato basil flavored. You might be wondering if I plan their lunches or if I just wing it. The truth is, I usually just wing it. I like to use up what I have, and it always seems to come together. I do like to purchase some treats here and there around the holidays for like their smoothies and the fruit snacks, stuff like that. Finished with their lunch. My son just didn't finish his pepper slices. I'm not sure why he didn't eat those. But they enjoyed their little berry creatures. 100! And they enjoyed their pizza and their orange. They enjoyed everything.
My favorite was the pizza.
The favorite was your pizza.
Yeah, I wish I had some more.
And you liked the berry creatures too, huh? Mommy can definitely make you some more pizza. We hope you have all enjoyed seeing what the kids have had for their lunches this week. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time.